Today I'm going to introduce my new perfect client. She's never late, she never complains, gel never burns in the lamp, her boyfriend or husband is never calling her, and I can do anything I want to her and as much as I want to. Coming up. Hello, I'm Anastasia and today I am waiting for my new client. So now it's just 2 seconds away, so she should be just right here. Is she late? Was I wrong about her? No, just in time, not 5 minutes earlier, not 10 minutes later. Perfect client, I told you. Hello. Oh, all nails are here, perfect. And what are we doing today? New design. Okay, perfect. What kind of design? Anything that I want. I told you, she's ideal. Okay, so we will just get rid of this old design and make something new. Okay, I will start with the preparation. You know, it doesn't feel comfortable. What if you come closer to sit up right here on my shoulder? Let's take a closer look. Introducing new red Iguana realistic silicone hand, and this one is so cool and so realistic. Now, to install the tip, you simply put it in and you can go really deep, and then you can do any kind of nail art, nail enhancement or extensions right on top of this hand. For example, you can put the tip like I just did and then apply color. By the way, I'm using April coffin sculptured long nail tips, but you can use any kind of tips that you like, or even you can create your own. So let's say I want to apply this lilac color. I apply it and make sure the product is not on the skin. And after that, we will simply cure it in LED for 30 seconds. And yes, she always holds her hand just perfect. Of course she does. Now, after curing, you can proceed with the design, you can do whatever you want, and to uninstall the tip, you simply pull it, and here we go. Now we have the separate tip and we can put on some new design into her. And this is how you put it back. Now today I decided to try an ombre with multiple colors, and I have a new set by Makartt of gel polishes. They have 6 beautiful colors and I think they will all perfectly match with all together. These are like pastel summer colors. This is how they look like. Another way of doing design is that you simply take the tip that you like and first create the design on it. I decided to do an ombre with 2 colors. First, I apply lilac only on the right side of the tip, and then without curing, I will take blue and apply it on the other side of the tip. Now, make sure you do not have too much product on the brush, and simply with the same brush right from the bottle start mixing the colors. Go a little bit to the previous color and then go a little bit back. And then you can blend them until you're happy with the result. And you don't even need any special brush, just use the one from the bottle because they are really soft. Now, first coat is finished, I think, and we can cure it for 30 seconds. And second coat will be pretty much the same, but we will add a little bit more color. So the colors will look more intense and the ombre will be more visible. I'm using colors from the same brand, from the same collection, so I don't need to worry about whether they're all intense enough and whether they work with each other, because I have no doubts that they do. But when you will be mixing between different brands, you need to check if the colors have the same intensity, because if the one is super pigmented while another one is transparent, I'm afraid it's not gonna work. Now I'm blending the second coat. I'm using the same brush just from the bottle. You can use also the special ombre brush, but with this kind of ombre, I think it's just easier to use the brush from the bottle. Just do not take too much gel on the brush, otherwise the nail will look bulky. Then we cure, and last step will be sealing with the top coat. Since I'm working just on the tip, I have an opportunity to apply it all over the tip and to securely fully cure it. Now this is another way of doing nail art separately, and then when it's finished and cured, we can install it into this beautiful hand. So I did in other colors as well, yellow, green, and now let's put on this one. So we can go really deep so the nails will look shorter, or we can go not as deep and still they will look like a beautiful coffin. This is so cool. You can create countless designs and then simply take a picture and it will look super realistic. Now simply uninstall the tips once you are done with it, and then you can keep them in the special box and the hand is ready for the new designs. Now this is how it looks like. There are like slots for the tips, and take a look at the details. Like, oh my god, from this screenshot you can never tell that this hand is not real. Take a look at this fingerprints. I mean, oh my god. I had a funny situation when April gave this hand to me when I was visiting her in LA, and then I had a flight. So the security checkpoint guards, they were like, do you have a hand in your luggage? And I was like, yes, sir, I do. He and his 6 colleagues were definitely impressed on how realistic it looks, and I am as well. If you guys want to purchase it, I will leave the links and a discount in the description down below. This is definitely the best hand I ever tried because it looks super realistic. It's super cool for practicing nail art or for displaying it, and when you take a picture or a video, no one can tell that this one is not real. And we are done here, and I personally am happy about this design, and she's happy obviously, because when I'm happy, she's happy. Oh, and by the way, your total is $500. Looks like she's not going to pay, but you know, we all have our flaws, and I think that's fine because all her advantages are definitely much better. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know, have you ever tried any silicone practice hands? And this one will be definitely my favorite for now. And if you're first time here on my channel, consider subscribing as I post new tutorials just like this one and nail art tutorials every week. And I will see you in my next one. Goodbye!